The Schwab Dividend ETF is considered one of the greatest dividend ETFs around. But why? If you've purchased SCHD recently, you might actually think it's a terrible investment. But I'm going to tell you why you're getting the opportunity of a lifetime. SCHD is such a high quality fund that if you're down and reinvesting your dividends, I would actually say it's an incredible investment. You're getting access to one of the greatest dividend funds around, and it's on sale. Enough of this, let's go to the computer and see why SCHD is such a great investment. In the last decade, SCHD is up 122%. In the last 12 months, it's down 3%. And year to date, it's down 2.5%. Their expense ratio is unbelievably low. That's the fee that you pay to invest in the fund. And if you had about $10,000 invested, your fees would be about $6 per year. That's nothing. The dividend is 3.57%, and these are some of their grades. And in addition to 122% in the last 10 years, they've got 11 years of dividend growth, and they've grown their dividend almost 14% in the last 5 years. The fund only invests in 104 companies, and these are their top 10. AUM stands for Assets Under Management, and they've got almost $50 billion worth. It is extremely likely that they will continue to see the stock price increase over the long term and raise their dividends, making it a winner. In fact, Schwab is so confident of SCHD that this is what they say on their own website. The fund can serve as a part of the core or complement in a diversified portfolio. I want you to do two things if you're a new investor. One, smash the follow, and two, don't worry about what happens short term. Thanks for watching.